Hi there, welcome to Akhostiq PC World. Right now I want to show you the simplest way to put a stop to irrelevant SMS or messages from contacts or shortcodes. So to do this, locate your message, click on message, the message app. Now, when the message is displayed, look for the particular contact that you want to block from a receiving message from. So I will select this and hold. Select and hold. You see the icons being displayed at the topmost right corner of your screen. Choose this one. Choose it. Now, when you tap on that, a dialog box appears. Now it reads, you want to receive calls or text from this number. This conversation will be moved to spam and blocked. Now reports, the reports, selected and unselect. So when you go there, it means that the spammer's number and recent text go to Google and may go to your career as well. This simply means Google will get your report and Google will also forward your report to your career. Your career is your ISP, your internet service provider. That can be MTN, Voda, or Airtel, depending on what you are using or what they are sending the message on to you. So when you select this, click on OK. Immediately, this is blocked. What if you want to unblock what we've blocked? Tap on the three dots at the top right corner, as you can see. Tap on it. Then on it, you will see spam and blocked. Tap on spam and blocked. So here you will see the number of contacts that I've blocked. Yes, the number of contacts I've blocked. They are spammy and I don't want them, so I've blocked them. So what if I want them to continue sending me? I'm happy receiving from them. So I will tap on it, then quickly unblock. As you can see, you just hit on the unblock, then you are done. So that is it for blocking and unblocking spamming contacts. Be blessed up.